picture everywhere. Yo, sometimes when we talk some things, people they say I'm like, and how this thing happened. But yo, we believe in God. Oh, you know, get what I thought. Believe in God. Today, I don't come online say I will talk plenty because I had to prepare myself, for my show this weekend for Kumasi and stuff. But I just want to say some things small. Some things that go on way sometimes when we don't really talk about them, the whole thing go look like. And it's because of this, is because of that. My people, make I just tell you people something. Certain things, when they say it be logic, if it be logic, you understand me? Sometimes we're there in this life and some people won't just carry this whole life upon themselves. Say it be them. Like it be them. If you know be them, like this no go happen. If you know be them, like, But yo, we tired for that thing. Right now, everybody for Ghana go bear witness with me say, beyond the look for money. Everybody mind grow. That Charlie, it be money we want look for, it be money we won't get, it be money, Charlie. Everybody in mind, kiddy, grown up, everybody. You understand? So now when I deal with, I dey listen to certain people in Ghana, I dey see them like, are you serious? Are you in Ghana? Like, are you trying to make somebody look like you get sense past the next man, or you just create something where they feel be? Like I tell you, those times where they go school, when you chop first, you be first they write for a report card inside. Oh. Whether your shada dirty or you if they come school, they know they drop you for car inside, or or they take trot. If you chop first, you chop first. You understand? Oh, why you look like I dey grow fat oh. Or if you chop first, you chop first. But from school we come into the real life, and what we they see in life, and that's why they talk say life be war. What we they see for life is that they be serious battle. They like the school we go. Say, yeah, you get A, you finish your certificate, you come. Because you don't know the examiner. The examiner don't know you. You're the person where they go mark the paper, he don't know you. So you finish A, you get time, then you take your paper. But to even look for job here in the country is hard. But you get them, as you get your pass mark, then you get them. Everybody knows actually you pass. Some people say, well, we know they expect themselves. They said they pass. Like me, I pass. JSS, I pass. I get 8 once, I pass. People say no expect me, but me say I pass. You get me? It be painful too much to the extent say we come into the realness of life, and as we come, certain things they way one day see a man they say I'm like, oh, but you saw the thing there for real life inside. Say if I the chop first, they say because of my character, so they for not give me the first. Oh, people, we will be very careful. You understand? You don't be saying anything. You understand me? Life, it be stages. When you they go. But people like us, when you want to deal with you in a certain way, we will see you like, oh, are you serious with this thing? Are you okay? Do you mean it? Like, what's up? Some of us we can forgo certain things and still move on with our life, and we will move on hard. You understand? I know where me I come from, and I know the type of things where me my country love. Cause I study my country. You get me? We're in a country where you the force. They say you know the force. Hey, no, it's not good. And you see, I just sit down and think about certain things. I say no, make I just share this few things with me and my fans, because I know say my fans will they listen to me more. You understand me? And thanks for all those who they vote for me for the 3 Music Award. Yeah, today, we the organizer can sit radio, where they talk say yeah. If you know, be say they give public the power or the higher percentage to vote and the board or whatever, like me, I never will win that award. And so I sit down and I say, so what I thought we shatter do these people? Because if they talk negative about me, they feel retaliate and tell them. That's why maybe they will take this kind of feeling and talk, say, no, shut up the air. I don't give them that chance. But make I tell people, don't give me that chance. Don't give me that opportunity. Because, you see, if you feel say you, when you go feel lead my life on that path, then you're lying. That's why something like 3 Music will come and go, can't give me that chance. It go prove point and go take topic, go take headache for some people. I never disrespect anybody for 3 Music. I never. Sadiq, I know people where he manage Kaki, he manage a whole lot of people, you know. I know say be some artists them are fine, he lost some artists, but some artists check Facebook, he can't blast me for Facebook and just all of that. But if the man or in board, they feel say, okay, make we give public votes, make the vote. Wait, give the public vote for me. Right now, you won't blame the public. Right now, I listen radio, and I won't miss words. Like somewhere like Hit FM, I listen you by the monitor, because after listening, I just monitor you people. Nobody said they listen your program, but just the monitor, because I know say the negatives will come out from you guys. The negatives will come out from you guys. And then industry and in panel, people where you people just, maybe if you sit down, nobody go fit tell somebody say, Charlie, time and season. It there Ecclesiastes. If it be your time, be your time. But nobody go fit just tell anybody anything. But no, the way they vote, the voting system and the voting system and the way they vote, and voting system and the way they vote. My people. If they take that thing to you, no go join you. As you do radio, they present, if they tell you, say, that award, you know, everybody knows it belongs to you, where they take you somebody, and later, you go can't talk. You see this award I win for 3 Music. I don't have even mind, say next year, unless God bless, we are playing music, we Ghana people say, oh, I try, we here, they go vote for me again. But see, I don't have mind, say next year, if they don't nominate me, I still go support them. And this be how I want me the game start for me from long time. This is the things where people make me have problem with, even Charterhouse, where I don't have problem with them. Because me, I know say, yeah, they play dance, or I know say I do dance or music. But I go see some place because of some people where they gather themselves and they feel say they be the industry favorites. So they go fit choose artists where they go fit give them award. I go see the things where me and Charterhouse go through. A whole lot of things. And because of that, every year, any award where they come, every year, we I know say this one, you see this year, as sport this year, well, because of the problem, for 4 years, Fountain back, Fountain, me and Charterhouse, and it jump people happy. See, yeah, I be you do one, they don't go give on, they don't go give on, go show on. And you see those years, or man take get money, man take get money, I take get money, I take get money. Not be anything. That's what I mean. Man take make money. I take make money. Plenty money. Plenty. I make plenty money. I buy property and things. That's what I mean. Man make money. See, if I say I will show you plenty money. Plenty. I go gather down for the skin for make I talk. Because man no be lazy man. Award fine. Award nice. Award good. You get me? Award precious. You go fit keep on. See, the president of Ghana give me, he be in there here. I get him. The president will give me this thing. No be say I play any music, but president say no. Charlie, you try. You motivate the youth. Me people they fit compare me. Say if I stand. The only person that you go fit compare me be JJ. And me self I know they understand. Are you getting me? So if I try and move my career forward, wait this time. So my award scheme come out where they say, no, the guy, the way they try, make we give public the vote, make we see something. The public never lie. The public, they never lie. That's why when our leaders, and thanks to every president where he come to Ghana, say they decide with the public. Because imagine say, the public, imagine say, if the parliament where they look for president for we, Parliament. They go be serious. Hey, like the country no go be easy. Like Parliament. The Parliament go fit decide, okay, this ship won't make this one chop president. Hey, what you want make the people do? The people know them, the people way that they want. So you know if we decide for the people. Leave the people make the decide. But you see, when you say you have board, academy, I'm not sure say Bank of Ghana, go fit talk every bank, say it be only doctors way they want make they can't save for the money for. If Fita come with dirty, no, not save them. If Mokola woman come with dirty, don't save money for that. If this, cause you get some brand. That's branding people they use for the industry before stop because they don't know the word used where. Branding. Yeah, branding. You know what be branding? Branding. People just use the word anyhow because branding for come with some of your dress. No. Bank of Ghana can decide like that. Say, okay, all the banks, no. It be doctors and nurses way they for save for. If it be somebody where they can say we know they dress well. Hey. Maybe you know go bank where you see allergy where they can't save money before. They bring Ghana must go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where they bring come. Where they come to bank for bank. Allergy. If you hear allergy in friend go say onion farmer by get money. Will they take the thing they do play? People just for music industry. Take the industry like it be their own. They fit decide for the country, for the people. Hey, like if they do show, make the music in the industry place, make they come the show. Make they don't make the public come. But if they take money from the public, the people they can't pay and can't sit down and enjoy the show. Why they do promo? Say, oh, they do show for you, they do show and make people come. Why they do promo? But if people have decided, say if it be award, you won't decide. Hey, you don't be classroom, my nigga. People pay studio bill. People pay for videos. Because they know say they get fans. The fans go support them to push the videos, make views go on for YouTube. If it be award, they go vote for them in turns. People pay. If people know artists with the hustle, like me, I hustle. I hustle for Ghana here. But then you can sit down and say, you they give public this percentage, and they take this percentage. And today, we started talking, God bless you so much. God bless Three Music. God bless making move on. God bless, because in the history of Ghana, I don't know which dancehall artist will take 8 on a roll like that before for Ghana. And that be me. That be me, my prayers for God. Say, God, if you say I not go win award for maybe the time me and Chatta has a problem, I beg you, God, open way for me. I beg you, see the award you go give me for Ghana. Make everybody say, give me an award. And me, my God, he never did disappoint me. My God, he never did disappoint me. He do the miracle we I won't make it. To me now, I play for my album. I talk say wonders. I feature Olamide. I say wonders. Them never see wonders. I talk say Nanek Bona Ghana. Something they come. Something that can't happen for Ghana. People they force me. I just they talk for my man. I do some music. Shata they be ruffian guy. If you say in France or they be ruffians, we like them. But what I want to tell you, people say, you know, if we decide for Ghana, you know, if we decide the votes for Ghana, like they can't do election. As you can't do election, then they say no. The votes, the people votes. No, it be the for people they vote. But Parliament go decide. Huh? Go check politics. You know they like that. The vote will come from Sunyani, will come from Kumasi, will come from Volta region. Those voters they count them, they put them there. They know they take say this one get percentage, this one get percentage. Hey, like Ghana no go be well. Like we not go stay well. Like we not go even sing music for Ghana because it not go be easy for here. And it everywhere for the world. Every industry know how they do them at sense. If it be bankers alone, we're bankers. They won't decide to have their industry and do certain things certain ways. Yeah, they are bankers. Because bankers, they know they give. They don't get staff for bank way public for vote for the stars for the bank. You know they like that. These are musicians. We work for everybody. And people love us for our hard work. That'd be so nice. Say this artist win, and you catch this artist in 10. What be so nice about that? Me, everybody know. Me, everybody for Ghana know. So you see, like from the time when me and Chatta have problem up to now. Like I do with sweep awards. Man is a hard-working man. Don't see me like that. I'm not a small boy. I'm not a small boy. Man, they work hard. I'm not a small boy. You understand what I'm saying? So if you want to compare me to somebody, me alone, they compare me to some artists. Some artists come out now, they won't compare me to us. Another one come, they won't compare me to us. And man still there where he did, Amaga. I still did it. I get what I'm saying. This thing is getting out of hand. And we check those things. Otherwise, we go take hurt a whole lot of people. Say if they give public the chance to vote, they give public the chance to vote. That's why sometimes people, after I was saying, if some sponsorship, people can sponsor, then right now, those people, the sponsors know they get insults. Meanwhile, the sponsors will not get those insults. Because the sponsors, they say, no, Charlie, we are working with the people. Hey, Charlie, so you won't tell me, say, ask Vodafone, they there right now. Vodafone. See the way me, my fans, they buy credits. They vote and sense. So as Vodafone did there, Vodafone will decide, say, no, we don't want certain type of people to buy our credit. Are you telling me that? Music way, it be something where it be open to everybody, where everybody, they love music. You people capture the music and some people want to like, it be them that they control the music for the country. Hey! Oh no, you know if you rule Ghana. No, our music industry is a mess. It's a deep mess. I won't lie to you, it's a mess. It's a mess. Today, Sadiq talk, say, yes, Ghana, they have their favorites, you know? And so, yeah, they will choose for the people. Don't do that to the poor pussycat. No. No. Don't do that. Because see, for years to come, sponsors won't take our industry serious. The government's body won't take us serious. See, investors won't even come into the music industry. Because we don't have the right product and the materials to send out there to represent us. Because we are watching character. We are watching behavior, the way somebody talk, the way somebody dress. Don't do that too. Don't do that because, you see, people like Lady Gaga, them dress code be serious. You go South Africa and go see some artists, they might just be serious. Like Baja them and sense. Don't do that. Everybody and the way God create them, everybody and the way God brand them, everybody and the way God they make it, they see music. So if people be music analysts and they think they watch things, they watch music and I beg. Let's think about this thing very well. And respect the public, because if the public way if you do show, they buy tickets. The public, if the public way they buy tickets, come the show. It be the public, you know, the industry and academic players. It be the public. What you want to tell the public? Say them they don't have decision, they don't go fit decide. Hey, so you want to tell me say Ghana elections, the public no they fit decide. Why if you said the president they go campaign? You see what I do for social media? No artists they do, but as I start, when I say some people they start to do the right thing, vote for me, because they don't respect that was. Me, I respect everything where they come with music. I go see Madam Teresa. Me see am hey. No, that is the talk. They tire. They try for we. They try for we. If you just say some people way, yeah, they go decide and things and man can't get problem with these people. But such a nice woman. She really educated me on Ghana Music Awards. That's what we want. Most of you don't educate us on it. And the things they can't talk to, you can't talk because make it favor you. Because you know say, yes, they know say you chair for music industry inside and things. No, don't do that. Don't play like that. Don't go like that. It's not good. Don't come and talk say the public, they for no give the public all the percentage make the vote because if the public they decide that it go spoil the award scheme. Huh? Like if the public no vote, like if we say you go get president. If the public no vote, do you think you get a president? Don't let us play like that, I beg you. Don't let us play like that. Some of us, we are grown-ups. Some of us, we are grown-ups. If some people don't want to understand, we have grown. Not only grown by age, but grown in the brains. We are ready to do business with people. We are ready to sit with people and have a conversation and have business talks. Don't watch the way I'm seriously talking and say, then you're making a mistake out of yourself, my nigga. Because, you know, the way I make a son, I made it, yes, I mashed diamond, mashed gold, mashed rolling, no. If you so go me come, Mary, my darling, so that. Don't watch that. But what the seriousness in which I'm preaching about, like, yes, the Akwala no cano. A man from Akwala can say the opinion no cano. He's trying. Nyansa no cano. Yes. Then you vote. Then we vote well. Do you think the public? Hey, do you know how many people do you know what the public they do? Don't let the public rise. Oh. If public rise, country no go be easy. So respect the public, respect the street. Me, I work for street. I hear people them are paying. That boy, if I do song, the street they understand me past radio station first. The streets they understand me. Boom. Because the things that they talking me, if the streets people they suffer. Hey, don't come and see things like that and come see like, yeah, oh no, we they decide. Yes, we respect your decision, we respect everything. But Charlie, it be the public where if we do show that they come. The public, if we do show, if them they come. If the public. Like we do show and things and we do awards and we talk say if industry people will invite, cool. Strictly by invitation, make nobody can pay. Cool. We understand. But don't say you do things that you won't come out the public for inside. But if the public can vote, if the public take the higher percentage of the voting, you go spoil the award scheme. How? How? Sponsors self won't know the truth. Say, oh, so who be your best artist in Ghana? Sponsors. People where they put money into award shows, they won't know. So who is your best artist in Ghana? Yes. You know fine. You know fine. As I come at the seat at the talk, make nobody take them to heart and talk say, man, they disrespect anybody. Nobody did disrespect anybody. But we have to just make the right things to be done well. Right things for do them well. You for do them well. I beg. Don't let us make our mind like we won't show one alive some way. No, Charlie, we grow. Most of the people I know for the industry side, they hate they take grow and they get gray hair. You hate they take get gray hair, but still. Don't hate. Business day where we for do. Make we all make money. Make we all get money. If I get, you get. You get, I get. If I get, you get. Don't let us play with this thing. I say otherwise, politicians won't go for campaign. Politicians, if you catch election time, they're not going to walk around. They're not going to stand on stage. Hey, and they preach. Someone vote, may I say, if you vote for me, I will do this. I would like don't do that. That is how democracy is being run like. Don't see democracy like that. You won't decide. You won't decide. Oh, make the country decide. Make the country decide. What are we going? Okay, who go chop president? Okay, let's decide. Hey, Mshatawale. Final. Nobody go fight. Like nobody go hate anybody. Like people go work hard. People go work hard. Hey, the people get power. The people. The power is with the people. Don't sit like that. Don't sit like the power is with a certain industry. No, it's with the people. That is why the politicians, they humble themselves. Because they know the people have the power. They know. Hey, because someone say you won't do music and things, if we say we don't know how to govern a country, we don't know how to run a country, we really know how to run a country. We really know how to keep a country peaceful. But if you are doing this, our industry wouldn't be peaceful. The politicians will hear people complain and they go like, no, but we run the country so well. And yes, they are running it so well, but there's some cook and kwaku in the industry or in Ghana here who are trying to do, no. Or you know, they see what the politicians do. If NDC come, if they say they go do something, they do what they go fit do, and they go leave, and people go come. They go do what they go fit do. All of them, they try. My nigga, all of them, they try. You don't see the country like that. The politicians are trying. They try. But just say we now want a behavior, want a mentality, want a character. Where they make with the suffer. Where they make with the suffer. I beg you. Why people not do like that? Let's sit down well. As the country where we want to elevate. And we go for elevate. Up to now, we don't forget products and we go for boast. We go for compare the West Kids them and because that's what they do. It be serious. One artist if you go do show and if you only Shatawale, where me at the few O2 arena. Shatta Wale where they go feed Europe. Shatta Wale they feed places. Because they don't like me, they don't want to talk. And your artists will be your favorites. They if you go, talk, then do yawa. The people say they come, they say, hey, Whiskey did try, hey, Davido did try, hey, Burna Boy did try. On artists. Because you people chose them. You people say make the country for and the people where they get the power, they say no, we like that crazy guy, the guy where they do we like him. The people say they like him. What's up? People, Charlie, this I no go talk plenty way you go worry people and things, but Charlie, people for just raising. You understand me? People for just opening their brains because it's getting too much, it's getting out of hand. You understand me? The country that we did sometimes, if doctors, teachers, politicians, if they work hard, if we they want to listen to, that's what I need to get them my favorite artist. It no matter who. Somebody go feel like Stonebwoy, somebody go feel like Sarkodie, somebody go feel like Shatta Wale, somebody go feel like when they say anybody, it no mind. But Charlie, when it comes to the collection of who be the best artists, and the people say the Shatta Wale, give it to Shatta Wale. Give it to Shatta Wale. It's better. It's better. It's better. Next time, Shatta Wale won't come fight anybody for Artist of the Year. Give it to Shatta Wale. It's better, my people. Don't let us talk about this thing and make it long and listen. What I'm saying is the truth. Don't let us play with the thing. And say you people be industry people, you if you decide for Ghana. Hey! Like walk on Ghana. I beg you, I'm not going to talk plenty. God bless everybody for watching me. Love you.